Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, Ali Gatie. You know about him by now. If you follow me in Gordon Guitar, he's been here many times. And this song is called Therapy, and it has his DNA all over it. Some sort of melody and chord progression that is pretty much the same through the entire song. That's about Ali Gatie. So this is the same case here with the song Therapy. We have 4 chords and this melody going in the background. So we're gonna look at that, and we're gonna do that with a capo set here on the 4th fret. So let's do it and start with the chords. We're gonna start with E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. C next, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and 3rd E. And the final chord is D, and we're gonna do it with this shape, the C shape, and that is 5th on A string, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, so there is a melody here in this song. I would focus more on the strumming. We're going to learn that later, but I'm going to give you the melody anyway, so you have that as a choice. So we're going to go chord by chord, and yeah, it goes in the same way through the entire song, the same way as we learned the chords. So E minor, C, G, and D. That's what's going on. So let's take a look at the E minor pattern. It goes like this. By the way, the rhythm here will be the same for all these chords. So you can hold the chord as it is. That's what I do. You don't really have to go with the 2nd D if you don't want to. It's actually enough with just the 2nd A string, but I go with the full chord here. So I'm prepared for strumming if I would go with strumming instead. So anyway, you're gonna play open E string, 2nd A, open G. You repeat that again, open E, 2nd A, open G, and you end with 2nd A. That is the E minor. The rhythm goes like this. Okay, so played a couple of rounds for you now. You're just gonna play one round, but I played a couple of rounds for you to understand the rhythm, how it goes, okay? The next chord will be C, and here you actually have to just hold the 3rd fret A string. I think I hold, yeah, of course, just that. So it is like this. So that is 3rd on A, open G, open E, the high E. You repeat that again, 3rd A, open G, open E, and you end with open G. So one round goes. Okay, same pattern, same rhythm, and yeah, next chord will be G. You just go up 1 string, you hold the 3rd fret E string, and you're gonna play this. Okay, so that is 3rd on E, open D, open B. You repeat all that again, so 3rd E, open D, open B, and you end with open D. Alright, and the final pattern here would be for D, and this is the reason for having the C-shaped D, because the notes are here pretty much. So it's a little bit different. It goes like this. So that is 5th on A, 5th on E, 4th on D. Then you repeat that again, 5th A, 5th E, 4th D, and then you end with 5th E. Okay, so that is one round. So you have it now when it comes to melody. I'm gonna take you through it from the beginning to the very end. E minor, C, G, D. Let's do it. That's one round. All right, you have that pretty much in the background through the entire song almost. But this is what I would do, play more focused on the strumming pattern. So we need to learn that now. Let's do it with E minor, the first chord. So one string around will be like this. That's what I would play, this strumming. So we can divide it a little bit. We can play down, down, up, clap, down. That's the first half of it. So down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, that's the first part. And then you just end with down, clap, down. So if you connect these two parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. The short pause in between the two parts, and that's what I chose to give you the first half like that, and then a short pause, and then the second half. So down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. Okay, so there you have one string around. You're gonna play one per chord. You can actually do that from the beginning till the very end. Fits very well, so it will be like this. Guys, so that is how I handle Ali Gatie's therapy. Give me something back here, guys. I work for you, so I hope you appreciate that. I appreciate all your support, all I can get. So thank you so much. Until next time, play tuned.